Broadway Basketeers makes fantastic gift baskets, but one of the hardest things about shipping these to people is you don't really know how it's going to show up. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what people will see when you send it to them. When you open it up, this is how it looks. That's fantastic. It is ready to go. And that is wonderful. Right out of the box, super inviting. So if you can get it and take it out of the box, it's way nicer, but as you can see, it is great just to pull out of a box as well. And it comes with this little label on it that you can choose just to cut off. I probably would, as this label is really just marketing for Broadway Basketeers, and it doesn't have anywhere for you to write a note, which is what I would love. I would love for this to have had somewhere for me to write my gift note. So let's open it up the rest of the way. One thing you'll see when you spin it around is it does have one hard plastic piece right here to keep it all as a tower, but that's pretty easy to slide to the side. You don't have to use scissors to take that off, and you can just pull it all the way out really quite easily. And then these can all just slide out. So let's go through each one. Starting with the top box, super cute box here. Actually really quite durable. My daughter is going to love holding on to these. When you open it up, it's filled with Lindt chocolates. Lindt is wonderful. I know these chocolates are fantastic. And my kids are going to be so excited to open that one up. Next box down has an opaque bag, and it is filled with peanut butter pretzel nuggets. And here's one of those pretzel nuggets, good size. These are delicious, and I am going to eat this whole bag. But before I do, I want to point out some more things on this label that I think are fantastic. It tells you right here what the allergens are, wheat, and it also has a best by date right here, which is really nice to have on the packaging. So I can stick those right back in their box, and I still have 3 more levels to go. This is fun. This is such a great gift. Next one are a mix of things. You get lemon blueberry flavored cookies, and this one's filled with a sweet and savory bar mix. So the lemon blueberry flavored cookies are these adorable little cookies here. Really quite sweet, and you can taste the blueberry and lemon, but also really nice. They kind of remind me of blueberry muffins. Now let's try it out with a sweet and savory bar mix. It's mixed nuts, delicious. They got a lot of heat on them. There's a lot of jalapeno in there, so you really taste the spice. They got that good mixture of crunch. A really great bar mix. Makes me want to have a drink. Second to last includes butter toffee popcorn, and it is so good. So let's do the final box. And it has cappuccino chocolate chip cookies and chocolate covered pretzels in it. Really good size. Those are so good. I want to have some coffee with this. It's perfect. Really nice dry cookie crunch. Here's what they look like. Look like great pretzels. I love pretzels and chocolate, and they really do have all details covered. Even the ribbon has some flex on the bottom of it, so you can hook it right back on and keep it looking like a beautiful tower with ease. How many gifts can you say that about? All the details have been figured out with this fantastic gift. If you are looking for that last minute gift for someone or just a special treat, this is a really fantastic option. I definitely recommend it.